Hi friends, welcome to the infoxist. In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get broadcast option on your Instagram. If you're facing problem related to your broadcast channel on Instagram, if you have tap on home button and then tap on message icon here, and if you tap on this pencil icon on top right corner, and here you can see there is no option to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. Just go back, then tap on profile icon here, and after that tap on these three lines and tap on settings. Scroll up a little bit and here you can see an option help. Tap on that, then tap on report a problem. You can shake your device to report a problem where you face. Report this and get solution. Simply tap on go back again, go back on the broadcast channel page. If I tap on this pencil icon here and I don't see a broadcast channel creation option here, and simply shake your device, and here you can see an option appeared. Did something go wrong? Report a problem, and make sure to toggle is turned on. Tap on report a problem, and this will automatically add your information and the screenshot where you want to report a problem. Tap on include and continue, and right here then tap on send button. Problem successfully reported, and after 24 hours you will get message from Instagram team, and after update or restart your application you will get that option. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.